Good morning to all traders and welcome to this week's and also this month's actually first market insights video provided to you by Orbex. It is the 2nd of September and there's been an interesting development yesterday over the weekend. Of course, we've had the US tariffs being added onto some additional Chinese products, and of course this is going to affect the trade war now. It might turn a little bit more sour than we expected over the last few optimistic developments. This is going also to affect, of course, the equities markets and the forex markets, and that is the main reason we're going to see, as always every Monday, actually the US index and the S&P 500. On the economic calendar, we don't expect much today. We have some PMI, manufacturing PMI figures from the European Union, and then some speeches, not as major to be honest. At the same time, it's Labor Day for the US, so markets might be a little bit lagging back in terms of reactions around the trade war developments. So I want to go straight to the index daily chart. I don't see this changing much, to be honest. I'm still supporting my last week's view. The only thing that changed is last week we were seeing this as an ABC. Now this turned like a flat over here in the medium term, pretty much. So we had a different C wave, and I'm still expecting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to end down here. If, of course, we have prices breaking above that level, then most likely we are looking at this becoming an extension of C extended wave and coming to 101 and 102 levels in the longer term. Down on the 4-hour, in terms of the original view, of course, to the downside, what we want to see now is that we really want to see this level holding, 99, which is a psychological level. We want to see that trend line breaking with wave 1 so that we can get a correction for wave 2 around 97, 98, and then for wave 3 all the way down, supporting also this view on the arrow side, this signal on the arrow side. Down at the 1 hour, this is looking like an ascending triangle over here. To be honest, with wave C now, this is a complex wave ABC. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ABC again. So after this rejection over here, if it remains being a rejection, of course, we want to see prices breaking below the 98.36 to support the downside. On the S&P daily, again, similar view. I'm not changing from last Monday's bearish move. I was looking at this being completed as a B over here, and then we're looking at another impulse wave to the downside as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Obviously, since we're still on wave 2, this can turn out to be an ABC. Okay, it's likely to have a shorter extension to the downside. Now down on the 4-hour. This is clearly first wave is completed, okay, and this is clearly a correction with an A, B, C, D, E, okay. And it seems like we ended with E here, and now what we want to see, of course, is the move all the way down to 28.40, 28.20, and then, of course, the break of this so that we can actually move lower, supporting this corrective move, whether this is a 3 or a C, okay. And on the 1 hour, we have an ascending parallel channel here with an ABC move completing wave E and also the intermediate wave 2. What we want to see now is just prices breaking below that level so we can start really validating that bears are indeed going to move prices lower, with first target that 28.20, then 27.73 needs to break, so that we are going to see either wave C or wave 3 in the intermediate term. So I want to thank you for being here for another day, and as always I want to remind you to visit our blog. It's where we'll cover the latest news, provide trading ideas and all the necessary tools traders need.